Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch channel. This is my YouTube space that's dedicated to everything and anything watches. I have a main channel that's all about sneakers and tech. That one has over 700,000 subscribers. So make sure that you guys check that out if you haven't subscribed to that yet. Now for today's episode, I want to do a recommendation to answer a question that was thrown to me over at Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, link down below. So one of our subscribers asked, Carlo, if you had 15,000 pesos or $300, what Seiko watch would you recommend that's versatile all around, that kind of looks rugged? So it just so happens that I just bought one at that price point that meets exactly those three things that he asked for: versatile, rugged, and 15,000 pesos. So in today's episode, we're going to unbox that watch, check it out, and just geek over it. Let's go. Before we get started, quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Seiko Gundam Zaku. So this is in the green color. I also have the Char Zaku as well as the Spring Drive GMT. But those are videos I've already done. Just check them out. Search for them on my channel. Now the watch that I want to zero in and focus on is actually something that I bought because one of my former colleagues in advertising, one of my good friends, Bonat Barrero, posted it on the Seiko Philippines Watch Club group. And when I saw it, I was just smitten and I wanted to buy it, and I ended up buying it. This watch thing is such a disease. The name of the watch is the Seiko Automatic Field Compass, and as the name implies, it has a built-in compass function. So you're probably thinking, what's the point of having a compass if you have GPS and all that stuff? Well, it's a nice complication to have. It's a nice feature to have. And if ever you find yourself in a jungle and you don't have GPS and electronics, it's always good to have something a little bit more analog, right? That, and it just looks really dope. I mean, it looks really cool. Now, before we even talk about the technical specifications or figure out how to use the compass of this watch, you really just have to take a moment to admire the look of the piece. You have that 43mm diameter case that's not too thick, so you can actually wear it to work, and it can actually fit under the cuff of your shirt. The case is satin brushed, so it has that nice gloss around it without being too dull. It even has a see-through case back, so if you want to admire the movement of the watch, you can check it out at the back. It has a domed hardlex mineral crystal. I personally would have preferred sapphire, but I kind of understand given the price point. Now, what I'm particularly loving with this watch is the combination of the colors. If you take a look at the face, you have some sort of like beige or dark cream color, which contrasts with the black face. And it's very legible, very easy to read, and the addition of the compass around the bezel just gives it a more kick-ass look. It comes with this brown calfskin strap, which you can actually use if you want it as a smart casual type of watch, or you can even swap it out probably with the NATO strap, because I really feel that this will still work as a tool watch or as a rugged watch if you want something a little bit more casual by swapping out the straps. In short, you can wear this for work if you're looking for a work watch that's not too expensive, and then you can just swap out the straps every now and then to play around with the overall vibe of the piece. Now, if you don't like the black and brown look of the watch, you can actually go for these two colors instead. So they feature sunburst dials in blue and in green, and it has all the functions of the black-brown watch that I just showed you earlier. The strap isn't made out of calf leather. It looks like some sort of canvas or cloth type material, but the watch is same movement, same styling. It has that compass that's, rotating with the bezel, and they just look really dope. So if you're looking for a different flavor, a different vibe, check the other colors out. In terms of features, this watch is just packed with them. Of course, the primary one being the compass, which is not automatic. It's actually something that you have to navigate using the bezel rotator here at the upper left corner of the watch. So when you move this, the bezel actually rotates. Now, I will link down below to an article detailing how you can actually use it as a compass. It is kind of complicated, so just check that out if you want to learn more. Now, if you're wondering how do you adjust the time, there's actually a hidden crown over here at the back near the 4 o'clock position, and that's the one that you pull out to adjust the date, to adjust the day, and of course, to adjust the time. Now, other features include 200 meters water resistance, and apparently, it's also resistant to magnet. Powering this is the Seiko in-house 4R36 automatic movement. That also gives you the 41-hour power reserve and the day-date complication. So there you have it. So guys, if you're looking for an everyday watch that looks rugged, that's around $300 or 15,000 pesos, that can work as your work watch, that can also be a fun casual watch during the weekends, that can withstand a lot of beating, check it out. This is the Seiko Field Automatic Compass Watch. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick video for today. I hope you guys are all doing fine. More watch videos coming really soon. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.